Hi, I'm Sarah Sunglasses.
And I'm Tehya Teddy Bear. Say hello, Teddy.
Hello. Hello. How sweet. And today we're going to be solving a Rubik's Cube, breaking the world record at 10 seconds. So let's do this. You have the first shot.
Alright. Try one.
So she's turning very fast, trying to get there. She's got a few colours together. Looks very challenging, yes. Oh god, she's turning quite, 3 seconds left. 2, 1, oh. Not quite there. Do we have another shot?
Now come on, Sarah Sunglasses, you have a try.
Alright, here we go. Ready, set, go.
10, 9,
Oh no.
8,
Oh, quick,
7,
quick. Oh, I was
6,
so close just then, but they
5,
came apart.
4, 3, 2, 1. 0 done. Sarah
No, I finished.
Sarah Sunglasses, let me have a look at it, please.
I don't think that's a good idea.
Sarah Sunglasses, give me the Rubik's Cube.
Oh.
Not completed. Too bad. Too bad. Alright.
Well, try again then.
Alright, here we go. Stupid piece of shit.
Oh my god, look at it. Look.
1 second, just with a few. Oh. Stupid.
Oh, turn it that way. No.
Not right. You're doing it. No, that's not how you do it.
Oh.
Sarah. Just
Oh. Damn it. Oh, I got an idea. Found it.
we did it.
Hello. Sorry about that break. I had a few technical difficulties. Nothing to do with any of us.
But the good news is
we
we completed it. We
Yeah,
made a
look
Rubik's
at that.
Cube.
Yeah.
Look at the Rubik's Cube. As you can see from afar, it's a Rubik's Cube, so you can just take a look at it from that angle
Yeah, it looks good.
and see that it's a full-blown Rubik's Cube.
Completely.
You can buy one in your local Walmart.
Oh shit.
Shit.
Oh.
Or
No,
Toys R Us.
yeah.
Alright, shit. Come on, Sarah.
Yeah. Bye.